Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Blind Bartender YouTube channel. We have now entered the month of October, so it means Halloween drinks. Today we are going to be covering the candy corn shot. So in this shot we're going to be using Galliano. It is an Italian liquor made about 100 years ago during the Italian Artisanal War, I think that's what they called it. We're going to be using Watermelon Classica. And we're gonna be using Irish cream. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and start with your Galliano. And just get the glass about just under a third, I'd say. You know, right there, that's a great way to have it. Then you're gonna wanna take your Classica, watermelon. We use watermelon, you know. It's all about the color for this shot. It's about having fun. Make it look like candy corn and have fun. You have some red liquor, use it. You see how now we got the candy corn color? And now we got the white head, which should, I don't know how this one's gonna work, guys. That is one interesting drink. Take a look at how that cream formed right in there. I didn't even expect that. I expected it to go to the top. Well, anyway, guys, there is your candy corn shot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drink responsibly and enjoy your Halloween.